Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the working units in microstation 2024. So if you want to check out the working units, first let us go to the file. So here's our file. Then I will go to the settings. On settings I will go to the file again. So file, settings, again file. Then I'm gonna click this design file setting. So then I will check design file settings. In the design file settings there will be a dialog box. In that certain dialog box there are so many options. If you see at last, there's options called the working units. So this is the options that we are gonna work with. So if I click the work unit, there will be two units. Like one is MU. MU means the master unit. So here's a master unit. So if you want to change the format, there are so many options available, right? Like master unit only, then master unit, then subunit, then master unit, subunit, then perimeter unit. So here's a format. So we use master unit only for. So then there's a unit. In the unit you can use the meter, kilometer, centimeter, millimeter, or micrometer, whatever you want, and here's some empirical units as well. Then the subunit. If you have some options with MU and SU, I mean master unit and subunit, then you can change your subunit as well. Then here is your accuracy. You can change the accuracy. I mean how many decimal units of accuracy you want, you can change it here. Then here's a label. If you want to check the label, how the label will appear, I mean if you want to annotate your units, this is how your label will appears. So this is something that I want. This has been already done by me, so I will click OK. So my master unit will be meter. Then I will go back. So if you want to draw a rectangle with 2 meter length and 2 meter 3 meter width, so my width is 3 meters, so I will just click 3, then click it, then 2 meter of height, 2, click it, then I'm gonna say it 2 to 3 meters. So what I will do is I will click enter, then I will click here and I will finish this one. Yeah, so if you measure this one, the length, it should be 3 meters. You can see here is our 3 meters. So the unit is meter. It actually shows.